The IASP World Congress on Pain is the preeminent global conference devoted to cutting-edge developments in pain research, treatment, and education. World Congress is devoted to scientific excellence, with compelling keynotes and sessions on the latest research, technical deep dives and refresher courses, interactive exhibitions, and hands-on workshops. There are limitless opportunities for attendees to enhance their professional skills and engage with the latest research.
Congress like this really helps to fill in the gaps in your pain education knowledge.
This event also hosts a number of interactive workshops designed to teach attendees advanced pain management skills.
There's nothing quite like putting your hands on and getting guidance from some really experienced physicians, as well as learning in a small group setting.
World Congress is a learning hub, which is why it's also the ideal venue to present your own research. As the largest pain meeting, it also attracts the largest number of abstracts submitted and presented worldwide. This global event attracts thousands of delegates across multiple disciplines from more than 100 countries. Attendance gives you the opportunity to connect with the most respected scientists, researchers, clinicians, physicians, students, and trainees, all of whom are devoted to relieving pain.
I think at the IASP World Conferences, the cool thing is really that you have the chance to meet people from other disciplines. You have the chance to meet all kinds of researchers within all kinds of areas in pain. So we really go from cell to patients.
We think that pain is a holistic approach, and I think this is the place where you can get all sorts of multidisciplinary people coming together.
Our 18th World Congress will be held in beautiful Amsterdam. Join us and take part in the discussion while you enjoy this family-friendly destination. We urge you to take advantage of this multidisciplinary, multicultural learning experience exclusive to IASP.